Hello, business owners.
Are you facing a slump in your sales? Is your business struggling to meet its full potential?
It's time to turn things around with Qurb Services. At Qurb Services, we understand the challenges businesses face, and we're here to help you overcome them.
Ready to join the Qurb community?
Follow these simple steps to kickstart your journey. Download the Qurb Vendor app from your app store. Whether you're using iOS or Android, we've got you covered.
Open the Qurb Vendor app and fill in the registration form. Enter 6-digit code that has been sent to your provided email.
Congratulations.
Let's log into your account. Upload your display picture and cover image to complete the first step. Switch to Dashboard to upload your company documents and wait for your documents to be verified. Once the verification process is complete and your documents are verified, you can add your payout bank details to receive payments.
Congratulations. We're thrilled to have you on board as a valued professional.
Get ready to showcase your expertise, connect with clients, and elevate your business to new heights.
Download Qurb Services app now. Thank you for watching the video.